Thanks for joining me for another video. Today we're going to talk about our Purple Rain. So this is our iron, contamination and fallout remover, usable on both wheels and paintwork. So let's go outside and we'll show you how it's done. Purple Rain is a highly reactive fallout remover designed to seek out and dissolve metal contaminants, turning purple upon contact with these potentially damaging particles. Its thick formula allows for a longer dwell time, keeping the product in contact with the surface for a more effective reaction. Although an extremely popular product for wheels, Purple Rain is also great for paintwork, forming an essential part of the decontamination process. Purple Rain is especially effective for deep cleaning of coatings and potentially helping to restore the coating's hydrophobic properties. Always rinse the vehicle thoroughly after application, and care should be taken when applying any products in direct sunlight. Okay guys, so I hope you found that informative. So if your vehicle's got contamination on your paintwork or your wheels, and you don't want to go to the trouble of doing a physical decontamination, give Purple Rain a go. For more information, please visit our website or come and see us in store. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments what you would like to see in our next video.